Hi guys, welcome back. I did a short intuitive painting video, but since I used music that I was playing to inspire me during this whole process, I ended up having to take it out in order to post it on YouTube. So basically in the beginning of the video, I showed you the different colors I had picked out on my palette, but it was basically just a fun painting day, and it's the first layer of the painting, and eventually when I get around to spending some more time on it, I'll add some more details and change things I don't like. So I was really having fun playing around with being expressive with the, I think I used a foam brush at first and just squishing it on there, and then the other paintbrushes that I used, I just tried to find different ways of moving my arm and, let's say, just expressing my feelings and really getting out what had been going on for me. So it was very therapeutic, and it's also very therapeutic to just make gestures with paint on a paintbrush and see where it goes and just see how you like it. Like I said, if I don't like it, when I go back to it, whatever areas of color I don't like, or, whatever I want to change, I can. So the freedom is in really expressing how you're feeling in music. Too bad I can't post that on here, but the music really helps me feel connected to my expressive side. And anyway, I won't speak the whole way through, but I've sped it up so that you can just get an idea of what I was going through at the time for about 45 minutes of painting. All right. Thanks a lot. Bye.